think coach Nabi, he's building a team. He's brought in senior players manje. He's also signed Augustin Sereno from Sundowns as well, and knowing the quality of Sereno, I would say he's a good signing. But people are looking at his age and the people he'll be playing around. Does he have the quality to carry a team,
to lead?
That's my worry ngo Sereno. But he's uyamazi ukuthi unetemper. Yeah, you see, and having a senior player with the quality of Sereno, siyamazi sonke umnandi kakhulu.
Abantu abaningi bathi no, i-signing uNabi bekungamelanga amsayini. It's what I've seen kuma social media. Abantu bayakhuluma.
Yes.
Why? But it's because of the age. Ukuthi kusho ukuthi abaplaneli i-long term ngayo, baplanela i-short term.
Kaizer Chiefs has a lot of young boys, very good young boys, but they need senior players to guide them. So you will need players. When you bring a senior player, he must be quality, and the Sereno is a quality player. So even if you are builder for that 5 years, mhlambe Sereno angeke akunike 5 years, but he will give you 2 good years whereby ushabalala umfundo uzwane bazobe seba maturile now.
Okay.
So you understand?
Yes.
So
okay.
You can't build ngentwana zonke.
Oh, shuthi i-mentality yakaNabi ne-tactical team ilapho ukuthi yasimlethe angeke sinike mhlambe 6 years or 5 years, mari 2 years.
Yes, njengoba
sibuilder.
Yes.
Okay. Another signing for Imamelodi Sundowns, Renas.
Ikram
Renas. He did well for Stellies, and then SuperSport brought him Epitori.
Yeah.
And then things didn't go, he didn't go gahle, and then he went back to Stellies, and he was outstanding last season.
Yes.
For Stellies, he was a key member, and he even got a call-up. He's now a Bafana a player.
Yeah, now he's going to play with the big boys. And again, lento wayikhuluma last ukuthi the environment imshayile the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, we spoke about the Hatfield ukuthi in light
no,
was
but this is cool man.
Yeah, we've been there.
Bayelo labatwana bala Pitori lapha. Labatwana bayelo mfethu. Uyabona? Coach Manqobo.
Yeah.
Makazothi umfunele kakhulu i-CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Now ama reasons wami. What if they don't reach semi-finals? It's not guaranteed. They will always reach semi-finals with CAF or finals.
Okay.
What if they don't go far?
Consider, but you look at it. The reason why Coach Manqoba atumfunele Africa is because he has seen ukuthi in the players that he has, akana muntu onalento Ikram Renas anayo in terms of scoring.
Ngiyakuzwa ntwana, but
so
yeah, for wathula
phela
in public.
You must remember ntwana iSundowns manje boManqoba iSundowns ifuna iCAF iChampions League. So for yena if a little player asho ukuthi umfunela le Africa League unaleyo mandate to win iAfrica.
Mara
so for importance yakhe umfunela le yanto
ntwana ngiyakuzwa mara naku kuyenzeka ngisho is football.
Yeah.
Niyadliwa kuma group stages.
I don't happen to Sundowns too.
Hayi yabona ke
siyabaqosha laba.
No.
Abazobe ba drop standard kakhulu mfethu baphume kuma group stages. It has never happened
knowledge
in the longest of time.
Remember abadlali babodwa phela.